How to remove previously synced contact on your TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to previously synced contact on your Facebook app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok app and here click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now all you need to do is click on the second option, which is privacy, and here click on synced contact and Facebook friends, which is the third option, and you're gonna find remove previously synced contact. Click on it to remove all your phone contact that will sync to TikTok server and stop syncing contact on all devices. Just click on and remove, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.